Hello YouTube, this is my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis. I bought it back in November as a daily driver, and so far I tinted the tail lights, tinted the headlights. I upgraded the wheels and tires to size 18, the same size as the 2003 Mercury Marauder. I put a full exhaust on the car with Cook's Shorty headers from a Crown Vic, Mercury Marauder H-pipe, Jones exhaust, one-chambered mufflers called Flow Pros, and full tailpipes with 3.5-inch chrome tips. Also did some work under the hood, so let's take a look. This is a 4.6 liter 2-valve, makes 224 horsepower stock. Now originally I wasn't going to do anything to the engine, just make it reliable as a daily driver, but things changed. I put a cold air intake in there. I put high performance coils, lithium plugs, and then I had an issue with the intake between the metal parts where the water jackets are at and the plastic. It started leaking. So one of the first repairs I did was I replaced the intake. And then just last week, the timing chain started rattling. So I had to pull the whole, you can see right here the fresh sealer in there. I had to have a shop pull the whole timing cover off and replace both timing chains. And since I was already going to have those pulled, I saw a deal on some cams for it. So I got cams put in. They are the competition cam, Extreme Energy EX262AH. They're mild, stage 1. And when they was in there, I had them replace the oil pump, the water pump. There was a leak right down here at the bottom. There's a plate between the oil filter and the engine block, where an engine cooler plate goes in between. If you have a Crown Vic with the P71 option, there's usually a plate in there that you can hook up to an oil cooler. This is not a P71, so it just has the regular bolt to the block. It was leaking, so I had to replace that gasket there. So the car has absolutely zero leaks. It has a nice little lobe. The next thing I'm going to do now is lower the car 2 inches, get a posi traction put in with 355 gears, and maybe put a supercharger on it last. And since I'm going to go all this route, this car is no longer going to be just my daily driver. It's going to be a project of this channel, and I'm going to make it official right now. All my project cars have this on the back window. That's right. The Raging Bull emblem. I'm going to place it on the back window right now.